Today we are going to talk about hydrocarbons. So what are hydrocarbons? Hydrocarbons are organic compounds made up of only carbon and hydrogen. They are the they are the main components of crude oil and natural gas, and are widely used as fuel and raw material for making chemicals. Sources of hydrocarbons are mainly obtained from crude oil or natural gas. Okay, that's why today, due to the Iran American war, we don't have a crude oil because most of the 25% of the crude oil come from the Middle Eastern states. They are non-renewable fossil fuels formed from the remains of ancient plants and animals over a million of years. Type of hydrocarbons are divided into two types: alkanes, saturated hydrocarbons; alkenes, unsaturated hydrocarbons. So first of all, what are alkanes? Alkenes are the saturated hydrocarbons because they contain only single covalent bond CC double bond. Okay, the formula is CnH2n plus 2. Okay, for example, methane, C would be 1, that would be also 1. So C into H2 plus 2, so CH4. Okay, now if we put 2, so that would become C2 H2n, so that means 4 plus 2, so that is C2H6. That is called ethane. Same is C3, H into 3 is 6 plus 2, so that will give us C3 H6 plus 2 is C3H8. Okay, same is for butane and same is for pentane. Properties of uh, alkenes: saturated hydrocarbons, less reactive than alkenes but burn readily in air, undergoes substitution reaction and use as a fuel. Combustion of alkene: complete combustion occur when oxygen is in excess. So for example, CH4 plus 2O2 gives us CO2 plus 2H2O. Okay, that is carbon plus water and energy. That is the most important thing. Incomplete combustion when oxygen is limited. Okay, so we got carbon monoxide, carbon soot, and water, and that is dangerous for environment. Soot is dangerous for lung. Carbon monoxide is a poisonous gas. Alkenes. What are alkenes? Alkenes are unsaturated hydrocarbons because they contain at least one CC double bond. Okay, and their formula is quite simpler than that: CnH2n. So, for example, N is equal to 1, so that would be C1. C1, one carbon we don't cannot have unsaturated. We need two carbons. Okay, for example, N is equal to 2. Okay, so C2 H2n means C2H 2 into 2 is 4. C2H4. That is called ethene. Alkane is called ethane, and here alkenes are called enes. Okay, ethenes. What is propene? Propene is again, you put 3 here. So C3H6. Okay, C3H6. You can see that is there. Butane is C4H8. That is simple. The number of hydrogen atoms in alkene is double the amount of carbon atom. Okay. Properties of alkenes: unsaturated hydrocarbons, more reactive than alkanes, undergo addition reaction used to make plastic, decolorize bromine water test. The test distinguish between alkanes and alkenes. Bromine in alkenes, bromine water change from orange to colorless. Reason: alkenes reacts with bromine. Alkane, no color change. Okay, addition reaction: alkenes react by adding atoms across the double bond. For example, hydrogenation. That is a process where we make, for example, that is ethene, and we want to make ethane. Okay, in next topic, when we are going to talk about ethane and alkenes, we are going to go deep into that. So in this process, what is happening? We are breaking the double bond. For example, I will make here, these are, that is ethene. We will add H2 and break that double bond, so that will become, sorry, that will become See, I will just move the board little bit here so you can see clearly. Okay, now I will do it. So that will become CC. So now we have break the double bond and make it, okay. That is ethane. Ethane, okay. So we make from hydrogenation, we change alkenes into alkanes, okay. The catalyst we use here is nickel. Addition of bromine. Bromine is simply added to the C2H4. We are going in next topics. We are going to talk the full whole process. Addition of steam C2H4 plus H2O gives us C2H5OH, that is alcohol, and the catalyst is phosphoric acid. Okay, we are going to go deep in the next topic. What is cracking? Cracking breaks large hydrocarbon molecules into smaller hydrocarbons. Smaller alkanes and alkenes. Example is C10H22. That's not that much useful, but C5H12 and C5H10 are the two types of petrol, okay, that are used in the cars. Comparison of alkanes. Saturated alkanes are saturated, whereas alkanes are not saturated. Double bond alkanes don't have double bond, whereas alkenes have double bond. General formula CnH2n plus 2. Here we have CnH2n simple. Reactivity low. Here due to double bond it's high. Bromine water, no change in alkane but change in alkenes. Main reaction substitution, where in this addition. Homogeneous series, homologous series. Homologous series is a family of organic compounds with same general formula, similar chemical properties, similar reaction, successive member of CH2. Okay. For example, methane, ethane, propane, butane, they all are from alkenes. Okay. Trends in hydrocarbons. As the number of carbon atoms increases, boiling point will increase, melting point will increase, viscosity will increase, volatility decrease, and flammability decrease. Uses of hydrocarbons: domestic fuel, methane, power station, propane and butane, LPG, cooking, gas, heating. Petrol is simply for car, diesel is for truck and buses, bitumen for road making and for roofing. Environmental problem, that is quite easy. Carbon dioxide causes global warming, sulfur dioxide causes rain, and carbon monoxide is poisonous, whereas soot is the reason of respiratory disease and air pollution. That's all about it. Please subscribe to my channel.